Measurement for class 1. Subject is maths. In this video, I will explain you the different activities given in the NCERT book. If you find this video fruitful for you, kindly subscribe, share and like the video. Now let's begin our video. In the first activity, that is for longer and shorter, two things are given. The pictures of one thing and in a two different size, that is for longer and shorter one. And by only observation, you can tell the child, he can identify which one is the shorter one and which one is the longer one, like this. And he will do the activity, and after that the next activity is the longest and the shortest one. In this, three pictures of each object is given, out of which the longest and the shortest one have to be selected by the child as per the instruction given in the activity. Like in the second activity, uh, tick the longest one. So the child has to be select the longest one out of all these three. Like the middle one is the longest one, and in this way you can give other things also with the help of a scale, with the help of their pencils and the concrete objects present in the classroom. You can repeat this activity and the child will able to learn the longer, shorter and longest and shortest one. And then the next activity is about the taller and shorter. In the similar way, you can tell the child about this is about the height one, and tallest and shorter is in the similar way. With the help of these things and the pictures, you can tell and explain the child, and the child will only take it by observing the pictures length, or that is the height, not length, the height of the picture only. In the next activity is about thicker and thinner, means it is about the size, like thinner plate and the thicker plate. This is the thicker thread and this is the thinner thread. In this way, yeah, the child will able to learn the comparison of two things. And here, when it is given in the EST form, that is in the thickest or the thinnest form, three different sizes of similar object is given, out of which the child will select the thickest or the thinnest one as per the instruction given in the question or the activity. Okay, then heavier, lighter, and heaviest and lighter in the similar way, and heavy and light is related to the weight. Okay, the next activity is about the measurement, and it is about the measurement of, like the activity is given, the book is 3 span long. Here the word spans is a new word for class 1 child. So what is a hand span, that you have to explain practically in the classroom by putting your hand on the blackboard. Just draw the outline and then you can tell the distance between the point of the thumb and the little finger point. This distance is known as the span. And one more thing here, clarify the child that this span, the hand span of every child is different. It depends on the size of your hand. Tell them as the hand span of your teacher will be longer than the hand span of a child. Okay, so the child will able to know that it is not fixed, it will change from person to person. Like here the question is given, my table is dash span long, means it can be a 4 spans long, it can be a 10 spans long, depending upon the size of the table, depending upon the size of the hand. Okay, kindly explain here practically, then only the child will able to learn it. Like this, the my classroom blackboard is dash pencils long. Here The another thing used by the child is pencil. In place of this pencil, you can use the scale. In place of in you can use the crayons also. You can take the help of a book also, and you can take a small size of wood from outside the classroom. So here different object can be used to measure the blackboard. But tell them it is not a proper way of measurement. It is only just for the observation point. Like this, when the children they are playing this gulli danda playground, they use their this small stick to measure the distance between this point to the this part of the gulli, and in this way explain them that about the normal things which we can use to measure these things. Because it is for the class 1, so here don't mention the things related to the measurement tape or scale. And like here the child is able to learn the feet long, that is the here there are these steps, the size of their foot is using to measure the length of this carpet, and here this girl is measuring the carpet. So it will be differ, means the answer for these things will be differ from child to child, from the size of the mat also. Like here, guess the distance between the two trees. In the similar way you can make out the child give the um, condition or give an activity in the classroom, that just stand up and find out the distance between you and the blackboard, and in this way they can calculate, they can able to do the activity and learn how the measurement can take place in the classroom with the help of their feet, with the help of their hand span, with the help of your pencil, with the help of a small stick. And there are so many things by which we can measure different things, and it is uh, introductory mm, activities for the measurement to a small child of class 1. Thank you for watching this, and wait for the next video. Thank you.